Alright, this is my 2019 Firework stash. I've got a box here full of cakes, fountains. Some cakes over there. Got the Desert Storm crate full of barrages, all wrapped up ready for the wet weather. I have the annual gala and the Walking Dead cake there. The Easy Light Equalizer cake there. I've got the barrage pack from JTF, the Power Plus. I've got the Boom Boom, Bad Blood, Pandora's Box, We Love It Loud. I have Warhawk, Supreme Skystorm, Neutron Star, Atomic Bomb, and Manic Attack. Cost me about £700. Should be a good night if the rain holds off. Thank you for watching.